Hello guys, hope so you all are fine. Today I will teach you how to attach pixels of Shopify with TikTok agency ads account. Okay, so hope so you watch this video completely and also subscribe this channel. Also like this video and also comment if you will like this video. Okay, let's get started. Just go to tools option and then event. Select event and click on it. After that we have to go to web events. Just click on web events and then wait. After web event, we have to set up web events. Okay, if you don't set up any pixels before, you have set up web event option in the center of the page, and if you add any pixel before, you have to in corner. Okay, just click on it and click on manual setup. Okay, and then type your pixel name. Type any pixel name what you want. Okay, I just type dash by pixels. Okay, dash by Shopify. Now next, please follow the video step by step. Okay, so you can attach your pixel correctly. Just now we have to use template. Okay, if you want to create your own, then it's up to you. If you follow video, just choose template and apply template. Then next, then we have to unselect event API and we have to select event builder. Okay, just unselect event API and select event builder. Now we have to go to next page. Next we have to go to next page. This page is same. Okay, we have to go to next page. Then we have to on automatic advanced matching. Okay, it is compulsory. Please on this automatic advanced matching. Then click on custom and view instructions. Okay, now we have to copy our pixel code and then paste to Shopify store. Just copy this pixel code and click on copy pixel code 2 to 3 times. Because if you sometime it didn't copy, you just click on 2 to 3 times and it will copy. Okay, and then go to your Shopify store. After that, go in Shopify store. You have to, I will show you. Okay, this is my home page and you have to go to online page, then themes. Okay, in online page themes we have to go to uh, edit code option. Okay, after slide ready, then we have to go to theme dot liquid. Click on theme dot liquid, then after head. Okay, click on after head and press enter 2 times and then paste your pixel code and then again press enter. Okay, then just save this and then go back to the settings of the Shopify store. Wait, I will. Yes, now go to settings of your Shopify store. On settings we have to go to checkout option. Okay, wait, my internet is a little bit slow. We have to go to checkout, then scroll down to end and then paste your pixel code in the additional script. Okay, just paste it here. If you have something here, you just press enter 2 times and then paste that. Okay, then save, and then we have again go to our TikTok ads manager and then finish this page. Okay, on the right bottom click on finish. Okay, then we are in that page. Okay, there are two method of how to go to event builder page. I will show you first. Please follow second one. It first one is, if you don't have any option, then wait, I will go to settings and then from here you have to add events. Okay, you see add event option, and if I will show you from here also. If you click add event option, you just go to event page. Okay, but we will go to event page from a second method. Okay, just follow second method. I will submit from second method. Okay. Just now, just go to previous tab of TikTok ads library. Okay. Previous tab of TikTok ads library. Now go to event builder and view instructions. Okay. Then we have to move on from this page. Nothing to change in this page. Just continue, and then we are redirect to the events page. Okay. Just click on continue, and we are in the events page. Now we have to attach our events. Now I will show you how to attach events in events here. Okay. If you don't see this page, I will also mention the video in the description box. You can follow that. Now go to attach and view content. First we select view content, and then here you have to write slash collection. Okay. Then add new event, select event, and then we select add to cart, then add URL, select add slash cart. Okay. Then we have to add new. Then here complete payment, we add complete payment. Okay. Now we have to add URL. Just type URL. Thank you. Yes, you see thank you spelling are uh, correct. Okay, don't change any spelling, please. Okay, then we have to save this. This is done. Okay, now we redirect to the our pixels page. Okay, I will show you. Please like this video if you think this video is informative for you. Now this is our page of pixels. Your pixel is successfully attached. Please subscribe this channel and also like this video. Thank you so much.